0, yes? What it's 0, 13.
30 degrees, you can see, yep, 30. We've turned it, yep. So it just lets you know what angle you've turned the piece of wood through.
It's 4. Just one moment. Oh. What? It's 0. Yes.
0. Okay. You're going to make the hole.
Yes. Yes. 13. Yes.
30.
Yes.
Now 16.
16. Yes.
60. 19. You can see it's just turning it one more back to muzzle. 20, yeah, 10. 120. 120. Now we've been down the milling machine. So you can see you can make equally spaced.
And that is yes. Oh, so
Very good.
very beautiful and very easy. Yes.
Very good.
For small detail. What is what is the detail? Huh? In what this very good. Дырочки сверлить. Not further. What? It's да? Oh. Holes in this machine. Да? What it's да? Connect. What?
Yeah.
And oh, what is? Yes. Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah.
Okay. So this tool here is basically very good for any sort of circular work, whether it's making holes at an equal distance by using this gauge down here and measuring the actual angle. So you can see that as I turn it, I'm just turning it. It can tell you exactly what angle you're turning it through. So you could drill a hole at 30 degrees, lift up the milling machine across to 45, put the milling machine down, drill another hole, lift it up 60 and make a series of holes separated by 15 degrees. You can also connect this piece to the drill press and make actual drilled holes rather than milled holes. You could use this machine, for instance, to drill a series of holes in the wheel at an equal distance and then put nails in them on the cannon wheels. You could also use it to profile this section of the cannon wheel or the edge of the cannon wheel.
Yes.
For example, if you want to come around here and have a look.
Okay.
Imagine that's a cannon wheel.
Она неровная, поэтому ее равнять сначала надо, да? Yeah? Oh. Yeah? What is? Yeah?
Many variants.
Yes.
And you can see that the cannon wheel now has a nice textured edge. So any circular work that requires the drilling of holes or texturing can be done with this tool, because all it does is it holds a piece of wood and lets you turn it in a perfectly circular direction. And you can also measure angles using this piece here. Remember, this tool will connect not only to the milling machine but also to the drill press as well, so you can actually drill holes.
Yes.
Bit of a clean.
Your aeroplane and таможня, да? New machine, not work.
Oh,
not
very
problem,
easy.
not problem. What is profile, да? What is profile? Yes? Understand? It's a variant. What it's, yes? What this profile, да? It's a variant. It's not problem. It's a very easy detail. Yes?
Yeah.
Very easy.
Yeah.
No problem.
How profile here? Profile here.
Yes.
Eto.
Yes.
Let's just show the detail that we're talking about. Where detail? Okay, we're now going to discuss these pieces here, which are circular brass pieces that we used on real ships to get rid of the water. So when it rained and the water piled up, it would get out, escape from here, and come out the side of the ship on the other side.
There you go.
Get that. Come on, cut. We haven't got much film. Eto, Dr. Mishka.
Yes.
First step, eto.
Yes. Yes.
First step, eto.
Yes.
Do you want to film? And I'll just speak. Okay, we're using a hollow piece of brass wire. Usually you wouldn't. You'd use a solid piece, but we're using a hollow piece because we haven't got the drill piece needed for the first step of this operation, and I will explain that in a second, but we'll just continue on with this and then I'll explain what's going on.
What is? Yes. Not good. What for this work? What is? Very good. It's not good. It's a big blade. It's a big. For this work on the very good. Yes. Вот it's так.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I understand.
I understand. Yeah.
It's no problem for you. Oh. Не срезал. Теперь проблема. Ну вот it's. Сейчас она будет загибаться. Very good when we made plastic for steel. Yes? Вот, one plastic and two, да? Connect. Вот its diameter, да? Вот its diameter. S1, да? Вот. Yes? Вот. Вот. And it's вот. And yes? Это steel plastic. Connect. Oh, вот. I cut detail, да? And what is? да, сюда. And after, она немножко должна быть вот так вот, вот it's, вот. And after, она развальцовывается.
Okay.
Yes? Вот, пластины раз, да, and finish. Вот, it's no problem. Вот.
After in wood.
After in wood, yes.
This
yes.
wood here. This wood?
Yeah, it's a steel. It's a steel.
Steel.
Steel. Вот. It's when we да, молотком так вот бьем. It's what? It's not good. Deform. In what it's да.
Okay, if it sits in steel.
Да. Not problem, да?
Okay.
It's a fixing diameter,
Okay.
да? Вот. And what its part только, да, развальцовывается, yes? Вот.
Okay, so he's saying that if you fix this part in steel, rather than hammering it on an anvil, you won't deform its shape. And это steel, 1, 2
Yes,
steel.
yes.
Oh, but difficult to make steel this thickness.
No, difficult. No, what it's, oh. What it's, да? Really. Yes, after, what this?
Drill hole here.
Yes. And good. I show.
Drill hole.
Shall. 1 moment.
It's hard, steel, hard.
No!
No hard?
Not hard.
Oh, okay. Russian, it's Russian.
It's a Russian tool. It's not hard. Yes, 1 moment.
Okay. Okay, we've measured the diameter of that. It's 2 millimeters.
Yeah.
So he's got a 2 millimeter drill piece.
Yes. Up. Так, 1 момент. Удобно сесть надо.
Soft steel.
Yes.
Can you see that hole? See that hole there?
Good.
Let's come around. I don't know if you can really zoom in. Like, he just used a Proxon drill to drill a hole.
Yes. Вот. Сейчас я вот здесь проверю. Good. Yes. After. Сейчас у меня заплющен кончик.
No good.
Not good. What is? Yes. Distance. Да. Cut. What is? Yes.
Cut slightly above.
What?
Slightly above.
What? Yes?
Yeah. Это.
Not good. Ну,
Just sharpening the drill piece there to.
вот так вот. Вот. Спокойно. Так. And what it's. Все.
So you put the piece once it's been hollowed out.
Теперь работать с этим. Где моя колодка? Где будет ты? Understand? Huh?
Yeah. Very easy.
What after that? Yes. What is?
And then other side, Dr. Michael?
Oh.
Good. And now this side, eto? Eto or niet?
No.
Only one side.
Only one. Oh, this
Only one side.
our board. Да? Our board. What is? Да? And what is?
Okay.
Correct.
So the cross-sectional view.
Да.
That's the way it's actually sitting. That's the way it's actually sitting in there. So you don't have to do that other side. By putting it in this piece of metal and surrounding it in metal, when you hit it with the hammer, and he's got this shape here that's got a you can see that V-shaped surface. That's why it's causing it to fold outwards. That metal protects the body from deformation when you hit it.
It must be another form. Да? What?
Yeah.
What it's? Another form. What its form must be? Сейчас, ручка. Ага. Вот. Да? What its form? Да? Yes?
Different form.
Different form, да? What its form? Да?
Yeah.
Вот такая.
So the tool that you use that you're banging into this piece can have different forms to give that folded over piece different sorts of shapes.
Сейчас я подровняю ее только. Вот. One moment. Что вы все? Да.
Okay, you can see he's just inserted that piece that he's just made in the drill, in the Proxon drill, and he's essentially using it as a lathe. He's using a bit of sandpaper. You can use, earlier he was just a second ago, he was using a file that had a contoured end to it, so that the piece would have a contoured edge. And now he's using a steel brush just to polish it up. Polish.
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Michael, one second for the camera.
Yes.
Camera, you can just see the piece in there. And this was a file that he was holding up to it. You can zoom in. You can see the file. You can see the files too. So you can see he's just got that piece, that small brass piece in the teeth of the Proxon tool. He's got a contoured file that he held up against this while it was turning to give it shape, and you can finish it off with this polishing brush as well to give it a nice polish. And now, if we get this out, the piece is finished. And remember, it's only shaped on one side. That will sit into the deck like that. That will be exposed, but the inside won't be visible.
Yeah,
solid.
Yes. What is turning machine?
Just
yes?
Ivan, I'll just. Yeah. In this case, we used a hollow piece of brass. What Dr. Michael usually does is he uses a solid piece of brass like that. He uses a lathe to get it to the correct external diameter and feeds it in through the lathe, and he uses this drill piece here. This attachment here, which we don't have, we're receiving that tomorrow from the Proxon supplier here in St. Petersburg. That drill piece then makes the hollow interior in the piece of brass, and from there you essentially have a hollow piece of brass like that you've made, and then you continue as Dr. Michael did. So cut, cut
Before,
after here.
Yeah, before I what it's chef's new paper. Yes. Yes. Understand.
Yep.
Yes.
Drills into the hollow, solid piece of brass.
Stage 2. Yes. Stage 2. What is our diameter? Yeah?
Okay, then
What
we
is-
create the diameter, sorry. We don't do that first.
Good.
Yep,
Вот.
correct diameter after the internal hole is made.
Да, стадия 3, да? What it's... What... Wow. Yes? Ну, what is profile, да? Your profile. Yes? Вот. And after cut, да? What it's...
After cut.
What is finish, да? Our detail.
But profile on this machine.
Yes, yes.
Okay, he uses a profile on the
Yes.
machine. So maybe you can insert. Just keep the camera there.
Вот it's, да? О, пунктиром нарисую. Вот it's. Yes? What is?
Okay. Eto here.
No.
Okay. He actually uses a lathe to cut this profile here.
All work
Piece.
in the turning machine.
All work on the turning machine,
Yes.
so you don't have to use this piece here with a hammer on the anvil if you don't want to. You can do it all on the turning machine and then cut it.
Yes.
Maybe zoom out and get the 3 stages again. So first solid piece of brass, drill into it. Second stage is with the lathe form the correct outside diameter, and the third stage is you can shape the edge of the piece with the lathe, and final stage cut the piece once it's been shaped.
Это with turning machine. But without turning machine, what is technology? да?
Okay.
Вот.
This
No more important have what it's. Yes?
Yeah. He's just saying that if you don't have the lathe, you can use this technology here where you use a excuse me, hollow piece of brass, put it in there, hit it with that piece and on the anvil, and get your shape. Not on the anvil, sorry, on there. Remember, we've drilled the hole so that the piece doesn't deform when you hit it with a hammer.
Precision, fixation.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Not good. This is
good.
very, very good.
What is very, very good. Yeah, what?
He's just indicated that I need to buy this piece here. He highly recommends that, and he's saying this gives very, very precise fixation of the piece in the actual, in this chuck here.
Yes.
This chuck apparently is not all that precise alone. It needs those pieces to make it more precise.
What very small and thin detail, да? Possible only what
Okay,
this.
so thin pieces of that you might be using, impossible to use a lathe as it is. You need these attachments to get precise fixation.
It's a very important food.
Maybe zavtra I bring here. Zavtra.
Yes. It's
Beautiful.
Beautiful. What it's
And eto?
Very good.
On yet.
Oh, it's a micrometer. Yeah, it's a micrometer.
Do you know this detail?
No. It's a metal.
We're now going to make the little sheaves, the metal sheaves that you can see in there. Reason for that?
Good. What it's central. Very important. What it's
Okay. We're just now testing to see whether it actually cuts on the exact centre, bunny mail. Centre or yet?
No, what is?
He's inserting these under this blade to lift it up a bit. They're just thin sheets.
Not center. What? Better, but not very good.
Better but not very good.
Yes. What is? Good. Yes? Understand, yeah?
Yep.
What is, yes? After, then, diameter, yes?
The diameter, so he now cuts it to the required diameter.
That's not very good position. Is this? Yes. What is? Yes, what good diameter.
Good diameter.
Yes,
okay,
good
so
diameter.
I've got it to the required diameter.
What is? Sverlo, yes, understand. Oh, la, what is? Yes.
Hole.
Hole. No, what?
Yeah.
Нет. No, it's no problem. Yes.
Okay.
Hole. Да?
Okay.
Make
What he's
hole.
explaining is we have to make a hole in this now, and we need that drill piece that we haven't got today. But you would go in and you'd make a hole.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Сейчас. Вот. Yes, what is distance? Да? S. Да? What?
Okay, now we've cutting the actual sheave.
What is?
We need to know the width of it.
0.
So you can see here,
What?
the camera comes along.
Сейчас, момент, я сделаю его побольше сейчас, вот так вот. Подведу.
Okay.
Это вот от 0.
He's zeroed it.
Yes.
He's brought that up to the surface of that, and then he's zeroed it. So
yes. What is stange? Yes. What is?
okay.
1 and 14. 1 millimeters and
6.
no 6.
4.
4.
1.4 millimeters. The width of the blade.
Вот it's, допустим, 1 millimeters, да?
1 millimeters? Yep. 2 and a 1 millimeter.
Our distance 1 plus 1,4. Yes?
2.4. We've got to move it across 2.4 to account for the width of the actual blade
Yes.
that he just measured.
Да.
Plus, which is 1.4 plus the 1 millimeter width of the sheave.
Well,
So
1, 2, 4.
can you see that?
Yes.
Just get in on this. You're missing the most.
Да.
That's been circled around to 2.4. 2.4.
Yes? Yes. What is? Not good. It's not good? No. Сейчас я объясню. Early metal. Cuprum, brass, bronze, iron must be have special angle. This blade. Да, вот. For brass, it's what its angle. Да? What its angle.
Yeah.
Yes. For iron, what its angle. Да? For copper, what its там angle. Да? It's a variant.
Okay.
This blade not for brass.
Okay.
Yes?
Okay.
Understand. What? It's not good да, cut. Вот. Not good. Сейчас, one moment.
scissors. This is the blade we were using. You see that doesn't have the correct shape for brass.